Truck-mounted crane operation tutorial. Depress clutch. Turn the key to start the ignition. Turn on the power takeoff switch. Shift the gear to a low gear. Release the clutch. Turn the valve to the vertical position. Lift the black valve upwards. Horizontal support leg extended horizontally. Turn the valve to horizontal. Lift the black valve upwards. Support legs extend downward. Lift the red valve upwards. Main arm raised upward. White valve lifts up. Folding arm rises upward. Orange valve lifts up. Crane rotates clockwise. Lift the white valve upwards. Telescopic arm extends outwards. Open the electric door switch. Press the raise button. Cargo door rises horizontally. Press the electric door down button. Cargo door level down. Press the raise button and the red button at the same time. Cargo door tilts and rises. Press the down key and the red key at the same time. Cargo door tilts and drops. 2 tons of cargo should be placed within the yellow line. Press the up key. Cargo door parallel rise. Press the down key. Cargo door parallel descent. Truck crane operation completed.